It's blow after blow after blow, and then Barclays now a price target downgrade.
Right, and Barclays is downgrading on sort of this consistent bearish theme of, is Tesla really going to be the sort of mass production car company that it's aspiring to be? It's of course spent so much money on building up the infrastructure. Its stock price is really pricing in this sort of exponential growth story, and now analysts are wondering, after those first quarter delivery numbers, is that really going to be the case, or does it become sort of, it's already saturated the market that it's going to have in electric vehicles? I also find it interesting, there's another email from Musk trying to bolster sentiment among his employees and saying, let's find a way to accelerate deliveries. To me, this just raises even more questions of, are they just managing to the numbers, just the short-term goals to try to keep this story alive, when maybe there's bigger issues here?
Well, they have way too much debt. The Solar City acquisition added, what is that, $2 or $3 billion additionally. Look, Elon Musk has won. The rest of the world, the rest of the automotive industry is moving aggressively towards electric. So the paradigm shift took place. He wins. The question is, does Tesla stick around to reap any of the fruits of what they planted? And that's really an execution question, and they haven't shown the ability to execute especially well.
And I think you're right. I think execution is really the issue. Is, when you see these emails about, can we accelerate? And there was the burst week, there was the tent outside of the factory to meet those production targets. Is it sustainable? Can you get to the point where you're consistently profitable, churning out quality vehicles, and you're, a legitimate car company and not going off on these side ventures?
It's so different than software and then technology, where you could, just release a mediocre version. We'll upgrade it when we get from the 1 to the 2 to the version 3. It'll be great. You can't do that with cars.
No, and clearly also maybe not with Boeing. If you just upgrade random software too at the end of the day.
Right. Well, and there were those questions about safety with the Tesla cars where they were sort of catching on fire. And I think that's a good point. You have to put out quality products that people want to buy.